Hi everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the Matplotlib for a data analysis. You can see more about the Matplotlib at matplotlib.org. Matplotlib is a very comprehensive library for creating static, animated and interactive visualization in the Python. We will be using a lot Matplotlib for our data analysis and the data visualization purposes, where we will be trying to understand what type of the data we are having, and we will be doing all the data exploratory analysis using either Matplotlib or pandas or the Seaborn. So we have not seen Seaborn yet. In coming lectures we will be also seeing the Seaborn, which is also a plotting library. In the background it uses their Matplotlib. This is Matplotlib, a figure canvas which we will be using to draw our figure. So you see there this Matplotlib figure. Let me just put it into a full screen so that you can see it here properly. So this whole thing is known as a Matplotlib figure canvas, and if we plot something in Matplotlib, there will be a data. Alright, so that data could be a line plot, could be a bar plot, or a pie chart, or any other type of the chart there. So inside the canvas we are putting here a figure, and these are the data points. Now you see there are the axes there. This one is the y-axis, and here we have x-axis. So in the x-axis we have many things. The first here we have here x-axis. This whole thing is x-axis, and then x-axis label. So whatever you write here on the x-axis, those becomes x-axis label, and these ticks are minor tick label. So these are the x-axis set minor formatter. So these will be sitting here a minor axis or minor the tick labels, and these are the major ticks there. And you see there these at the top, and here at the right side what you see, it is known as a spine. So you can also set in your figure that you don't want a spine, so these spine will be removed. And if you have here a multiple lines or a multiple plots, then you can define the colors. So those colors will be written here, and these are known as the legends. And you see there inside the figure there are so many crossed lines. These crossed lines are known as a grid. And at the figure you have the title, that means which describes about the figure, which is known as a title. And you can set this with the ax.setTitle. Ax is the axis. You know that this whole figure have their axis. So this one figure have there the axis. So if you set the ax.setTitle, it will set the title for these particular axis there. Similarly, you can set here ax.y-axis.set minor locator. So this minor locator will be, placed at your chosen place. And similarly, you have here a major tick label, and similarly you have x major tick label, and there you have here a y label, and then again here these are the major tick label for y-axis, and these are major tick label for the x-axis. And if you have many other type of the plots, alright, even the line plots, then you see there these are the markers. So these markers can be defined on the lines as well. So wherever the data point is there, you can set these markers there. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.